We start the same, but our days redefine us. The difference becomes obvious. Every morning, we make a choice. To rush into the digital noise, or to find a moment of peace.
In this Draw My Life, we see two very different paths. One writes down exactly what matters most, while the other just scrolls, completely unaware of the time slipping away. In a world full of endless noise, chose to focus on what truly matters, while others drift away, trapped in an endless, mindless scroll. What will you choose to draw today?
Oh no, it's already late morning! Time to start task 1.
Midday sunlight. Stickman A looks exhausted, although nothing is completed. Stickman B checks the first task, satisfying green checkmark.
We all start with the exact same 24 hours. But while some are buried in a mountain of unfinished work, others keep it simple with a small, organized checklist. So, which one are you?
Some people spend their afternoons rushing around frantically, running in circles and chasing their own tails, while others calmly focus and effortlessly finish the day.
Some people glide through their tasks, finishing everything with a smile. And then there's the rest of us, drowning in a mountain of paperwork.
We both started at the exact same place, but his path was perfectly laid out, while mine was a chaotic, endless maze.
Evening begins, and we both finally make it back home. Some of us are completely exhausted, but others are ready to relax. With everything done, it is time for tea. Time to enjoy
When
the
night
peace.
falls, Stickman A looks at tomorrow's workload with worry. It just keeps on growing. But Stickman B quietly closes the notebook and smiles.
We both start our day at the very same time. But our paths couldn't be more different. By the end, it's clear who is truly living.
This is the story of Stickman B. He wanted to make every day count, so before he did anything else, he simply planned out his day. With a clear vision, he was ready to conquer his goals.
We all make mistakes. But that's just part of the story. Tomorrow is a blank page, and you hold the pen. Every story starts with a single page. And for us, this was only the beginning. We looked up at a giant, peaceful sunrise. The calendar said before, today we draw a brand new future together.
Success doesn't come from having more time. It comes from using your time with intention. Your schedule controls your life.
Your life is a story that you write yourself. Plan 10 minutes tonight. Change tomorrow. Change tomorrow.